Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the Jesus 2009 channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a little gadget that could help out in some redstone builds. So if you know some stuff about observers, then you'll probably know that if you have a button on an observer or something like that, then the observer will actually fire twice. It'll fire once you press the button, and it'll also fire once the button stops being pressed. So, and in some redstone builds, that can be a big problem. So, I'm going to show you how to build a little thing that can fix that problem, so that you don't have to worry about it. So, I'm just gonna have an observer right here with a button on it. Say that's what your input to some machine or something. You're going to want some 2 redstone repeaters and some redstone dust. Of course, an observer, and I'm using this redstone lamp as the output. So, you're going to want to go, and from after your observer, you're going to want to make a little L shape out of the redstone dust. And you're going to want to put a repeater facing this way from the L, that way, and another facing like that. Both of these will need to be set to 4 ticks, so you need to click 1, 2, 3 times, and then right here you have your output going in, or you have your resin dust going into your output. Now, if you watch this, if I press this, you'll see that it goes on and stays on only once. But if I say got rid of that and just had this, you'll see that it fires twice, and sometimes you probably will not want that. So this little thing right here can fix that because basically this is taking advantage of repeater locks. So when this repeater is active going into this repeater, then this repeater will show a little bedrock bar going across the repeater, like so, like see right there, and then that will make it so that it won't and then that will make it so that it's stuck in whichever state the repeater is. So if it's on, then that will keep the repeater on. So basically, this system will allow it so that they will set, basically, both of these turn on at the same time. Then this turns on, and this makes it stuck on. And then when this is powered, and from the observer, once it's deactivated, this is also deactivated, so it doesn't allow it to go through. So, yeah. So, and that makes it so that it only goes once. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little quick video on the channel. And it would really mean a lot to me if you guys like, subscribe, and comment for what you might want next. So, thank you guys for watching, and bye!